G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. We all love ice cream. There are so many recipes. This one's a little bit different, but it's just as easy and delicious. So join me today as I make my version of a no churn Nesquik ice cream. Okay, so this is not only incredibly tasty, it's incredibly simple too, with just 3 simple ingredients. The first one being whipping cream, or you can also use double cream or heavy cream. And for this particular recipe, I'm using 3 cups worth, or about 900 mils. So it's very simple. We're just going to whip this up on high with a hand or stand mixer for about 3 to 4 minutes until we get to a stiff peak stage. Okay, so as you can see, we're now at the stiffed peak stage, so it's all nice and airy. Now for our second ingredient, I'm going to add in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And then lastly, our Nesquik. Now I'm using chocolate. Of course you can use the other flavors if you like. I believe there's a strawberry one. There may be more in your country. So I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup worth. But that comes down to taste. Be free to add a little bit more if you like, or even a little bit less. But when it comes to Nesquik, a little bit more is probably better. And simply mix it through just for about 20 seconds until it's well combined. Just try not to overmix it, otherwise you're going to remove all that air that we've whipped into the cream. Now all you have to do is just simply place it into a container, a sealable container that you can place into the freezer. So I wouldn't recommend a glass one because that can crack, so make sure it's a plastic container, but an airtight container. Okay, so just simply seal it up and we're going to place it into the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours. So no churning required, just place it in the freezer, and when you're ready to serve it up, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes, just to let it soften up a little bit, and it's ready. Okay, so I've had it in the freezer overnight, and I've just let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes. So all you have to do is just simply scoop it out of our container. And just look at how creamy and delicious that Nesquik ice cream has turned out. 3 simple ingredients, who would think? It is so simple, so easy. Took just a few minutes to prepare, then the long agonizing wait for it to freeze up. But when you get into this lovely cold treat, it's going to taste simply delish.